There's a project, yeah, we did Chapstick. These are the pictures of all of our components and the sketches. And wait, do I actually have the description of the I mean, they're kind of self-explanatory, but they're all made out of plastic. It's kind of in order. This goes on top of that. This is on the inside to twist the thing inside to make it go up. Detailed operation, that doesn't matter. I kind of just messed around with it. Function was to prevent loss of moisture on your lips. Cost $4. It was made by Charles Brown Fleet, a physician and pharmacological thinker from Luxembourg, Virginia. Product does not expire, used until empty. Its life cycle is made from raw materials. And plastic components are assembled, wax is put into the tubes, and packaged and sent to places where it can be sold. And the tube can either be thrown away or is reusable.
The surface area of the roller thing that turns it up is 1.5 centimeters. It's the surface area of the cap, everything else, and the main tube. It's different from the on-shape dimensions because those are in millimeters, but this is in centimeters. None of the components respond to a magnet because they're all plastic. And the cap would deform a little, but would return. The tube would not bend, and then the roller would permanently deform. And none of them conduct electricity because they're also plastic. And then it's probably made of plastic.
Neural multi-view drawings, the dimensions are all on them. Yeah, this is the multi-view for the cap. So plastic starts as raw materials such as natural gas and oil are refined into ethanol and propane. The ethanol/propane is treated with high levels of heat and converted into ethylene and propylene. These are combined with a catalyst to create a powdery fluff. This material is fed into an extruder, which is melted and then cooled into a long tube. The plastic is then cut into smaller pieces and shipped off to different manufacturing sites. Depending on the shape of the component, the plastic is molded by heat into the shape that is required to make the product. It is then assembled and combined with the actual balm made by mixing beeswax, camphor, and petroleum, and other waxy-like substances. Once everything is in place, the label is placed on the product and sent to places where it is sold. Technically, you can recycle chapstick because the actual balm is not going into landfill or going away because you're using it on your lips. The tube can also be reused by making your own chapstick, refilling the tube with your own wax.